have it. Go back. I'll get it. Look at all the people.
See everyone
Oh. Wave to the spiders! Look at the flashes going on.
I know.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're all very proud to welcome you here to Austin, Texas. A brand new route for British Airways. And the local time in the United States is 10 to 5 in the afternoon. It's a 6-hour time change from that when we left London's Heathrow. And can we please ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has reached the final parking stand at the terminal, and your indication it's safe to move around and leave your seat will be our captain switching off the overhead fastened seatbelt sign. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved during the flight and these could fall out causing injury, and be sure to check you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving us today. We'd like to remind you that smoking is not permitted until you've reached a clearly designated smoking area, and now the aircraft has vacated the main active runway, you are permitted to use your mobile telephones, your Blackberries and your iPhones. Well, our British Airways ground staff team will be waiting to meet this flight, and they will be very pleased to provide any further assistance you may require. Alternatively, you can also contact any other member of the One World Alliance for assistance. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we do realise you have a choice when choosing an airline and travelling on services between the United Kingdom and the United States, and we'd like to thank you all for choosing to fly with British Airways today. So on behalf of your flight crew, your cabin service director Greg, and indeed the entire crew today, we'd like to wish you all a very safe and pleasant onward journey, or a very enjoyable stay here in the greater Austin area. Thank you, and a very good afternoon from the Inaugural crew.